What is up guys, it's Kevin Rowe back in another video, and today we're going to be helping Dioang change his oil and install a new oil valve, which makes it easier to do oil changes. Let's go ahead over there, let's do this. Bet you won't launch it. So we forgot the jack and actually went back home to actually get it. So about to start the shit after we get everything set. So like always, we're always unsure on how to do shit, so we're checking it online.
We don't know how to do anything.
Yeah, I really don't know how to do anything.
This is it, see?
You sure it's a proper like thread?
Dude, why do none of my wrenches work? Damn, how do you use tools, dude?
Really dumb.
Why are we working on cars? We shouldn't be doing this.
Use a fucking socket wrench.
Oh, I'm gonna break the nipple.
Fuck it, dude. Who needs a nipple anyway?
I need the nipple. Yeah, I got it. It's close enough.
Alright, good enough shit.
Time for the real test.
It works. We did something right for him.
Oh yes, we did something right.
So we just need to put his under panel back on and then we're done.
No.
Are you good?
Where's my drill?
So what are we doing?
Sucking my dick.
Okay, bye. Just kidding.
Put my lip back on. LA roads are not nice.
So he couldn't find his drill, so we're gonna screw everything back on. Huh? You can. You got elevates. Because how people it's teleporting, bro.
Really? No, it's not, dude. Yeah, I'm wet.
Yeah, you fucking idiot. So we're just mounting double-sided tape, just in case, for extra strength.
You just fucking double-sided tape and zip tie your car.
Hello JDN! You know that's what my friend says?
That's called broke boys.
You should really just install your carbon fiber load.
Yeah, no, I'm not trying to destroy it yet. No, what we need to do first is, you need to hold it up, and I need to screw in all the existing holes.
Oh, you want me to pull forward?
Nope.
You know it's not like where you want it to be.
Let me show you. I don't expect this lip to. This is like a $50 lip, dude.
Very simple. Plus, I didn't even zip tie. I didn't even tighten it yet.
Should use zip tie.
This is exactly what I'm doing right now.
So instead of screwing these in, we're gonna zip tie it.
Cause I'm lazy.
Because hella JDM, bro.
Psych. Pull forward and up. Right here. Start here. Pull forward and up. Forward. Just forward first. Has it come out more? Wait. Yeah. Why won't you get into place? And then the front, right here, pull.
Where?
Yeah. Fuck.
Tied the ends of the guitar strings, the body used for Latin American. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped the wire over their heads, and how terrible, very clever. As many jazz lovers say, this was even murder.
How's it? Let go?
You got it? You know?
Yeah, tie that one.
Which one?
You want to do that droopy?
This one?
Yeah. You tighten all of these, dude. You're a fucking beast. Done.
Zip ties all the way.
For sure.
Wonder how long that's gonna
Oh shit. That's not gonna last, dude.
So we just got done. Sorry about the wet spots on the lens, if there is any. But we just got done installing his lip, installing the oil valve, and also changing his oil. So he's about to head to get his fenders rolled by Canopy Lizard. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great week. Stay safe, y'all. Stay warm. Deuces.
Yes, used parts. Look like shit. Catless.
Yo, your shit's gonna be hella loud.
Catless everything.